this is how we will go and try to set up the scene. I'll import the native scene. This is the submarine import, and here it is, very tiny, it's very small. Okay, let's go inside. This is the material. Okay, and this is the geo. Control C, and I will hide it. Object merge submarine. Okay, here I will list it so we have it. Let me increase its scale. So let's go by, let's see how much. 1 meter. I wanted like 4 meters. Something. So the measurement is like 4 meter. Maybe we can go bigger. Let's go with 40. Now it is 6 meter. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll go to lap axis, so I make it drop on the ground, and it is pointing the X direction. Okay, so what I'm thinking that this submarine come from down the water and go up, then go again down, something like that. But I want these to be animated, so I will select them. Here I will select as 3D connectivity. I will just disable the shader. Let me select this part, pressing shift, and this part. Let's make sure everything is selected. Very good. So these I will split. So this is the fan. Add transform. And make sure the pivot point is in the center. I already have it here. It is CX, CY, CZ. Okay, so they will move like this. Like this, keep on moving. So the movement will be in the minus Z. Let's say here minus $f multiply by 10. You see, I'll put for now 5, and we can change it later. Let me put it in red. Okay, then I will merge it. Let's have a look. The other issue we will face that we need to make it bigger. We need to have a surface. Okay, so here I will do for each connected pieces. Let's have a look. Okay, I will extrude them, poly extrude, so they will have a volume. Okay, so let's take one piece like this one. See, it's just a flat line. So I'll go up. And I'll put back straight the point normal. So the geometry already mixed up. So let me fix the normal here. And have a look. So I won't use this one. Local transform. something like that. Or the other issue I can do is convert to VDB and then erode it. Okay, VDB, reshape SDF, this one doesn't work, so what else we can do? Let's see the normals. So we have normals. Let's move this up, peaks up, try to increase it. You see, if we increase it, it's messed up. So what if we put volume, extrude, fully extrude. Let's play with it a little bit more. Or maybe we can put a fuse. And here mobile control, no spline, transform. Let's have a look here. So this is how it looks. If we put another poly extrude, and then poly extrude again, output a back, and here we output a back. This is how the shape. Okay, let's go here. We have some volume. So here I will add polyfill. So I just want some volume for it. Okay, quadrant. Let's put the poly doctor. We see the bones. Or we can add the remesh. Remesh target size 1. Adaptive. Point 2. No smoothing. No iteration. So I figured it out because when I look, see, it's flipped. So best thing I can do is remove this one, do poly extrude, but I remove the class attribute so it's not confused. Okay, so after that I have a volume that then I can come down all the way here, and let's have a look. Now it's moving. But let me zoom it. and I will call it fans group. Okay, let's save. I will call it submarine. Let me come here, null. Put here out submarine. Give it a color. Now let's go to the ocean, and I will use guided ocean layer so it can follow the animation of the submarine. And as you can see, it's at the top. Later on I will take it down. So let's try guide, choose this one, cancel, remove this one. Let's go up, guided ocean, to the submarine, and press enter and wait while it's thinking. So now we have, this is the previous one. Let me put it in black because I don't want it. This is our submarine that will be rendered, so it's here. We have the guided initial, we have the interior, leave it here. This is the extended one to extend the ocean like this. Okay, so we go to the submarine, and I have here the out follow. I want to create I want to convert it to VDB convert. Can it convert? Oh, I must choose VDB, sorry. So did it convert? No. I think all parts need to be, let's try decomposition, and take this one. Let's see what we'll get. Okay, let's see if this will convert. I don't have, so maybe I need to do the same thing as we did here. But this one only for it to convert. Let's have a look. Okay, now Control G. We have a volume here. VDB from polygon, sorry. VDB from polygon. My bad. Let's go here and check. So we have something. Bond 1, let's make it bond 5. Okay, I want to focus here because I want to have some resolution. So 1.5, 1.25. I will make it bigger so it can collide with the water. Something like this. So this one will be VDB submarine. This is the follow, and here I will later on compute the normals. So let's put this one here. I will take this one as a copy, leave it, and I come here. Okay. So first thing first, this is the surface. I want it to be in the different direction, the ocean spectrum. So 180. I want to make it cooler. See the gravity direction. Okay, something very cool and calm. Okay, direction bias. We have most of the wave going this direction. Okay. Second thing, I will go here. I don't want the VDB, I want the other one. Submarine. This one. Merge collision. I'll put this one. VDB, it will take a lot of time. See. I put this, yeah, it's already here. This one, no need. So if I view this, this is the wave. It's already guided ocean, and we need to make it as narrow band. This is the surface, and this is the initial. So give me both of these and make them yellow. And I have here the bounding velocity, the sink, and the guided surface. Okay, I want these for now. Let me go to the document tool. Here still I'm not animating anything. Here I want to make sure narrow band is enabled. Particle receding. Let's go here now. I want the initial particle to be narrow band. So I have here the connection. I need to have the surface volume, which is this one. You see, this is the surface. I'll take it and put it here. Let's view. I'll just go and make it 3. So it is a little bit faster. Okay, other thing we need to do is here separation volume. So it's connected. I think I don't have to make it relevant. Let's see here. I always get confused with it. So particle narrow band, and I have this one. It's already there, yeah, my mistake. So particle fluid, and here the wave tank, no need for narrow band. Let's go here, and it will update automatically. Here we need to activate. Here I'm on wave tank. Boundary layer is there. The variation, guided ocean, surface, particle. Here, let's make it 1. Evaluate. I don't want it to collide. Will fall down. Yeah, I'll just keep Y up something. Let's do one animation and see how we will go about it. So it all comes here. I'll come and bond some, because I will add transform here. This is the transform. I make it center to the point. Okay, so I will start by going down. do a quick animation, dirty one. Okay. So approximately here, let's have this one up and go frame 15, and if it will move 15 meter till it reach here at the end. So here at the end we should be somewhere at 30. Okay. So this is the speed it will move. Yeah. So I'll give it a couple of frames, like up to frame 25, and then it will start to rise till it reach frame, let's say frame 60. Should rise. So I'm focusing here and we'll rotate it. This is frame 60. We'll give it like 70. So it's moving this much. No, we will not move because already we are moving. So frame 70. It will adjust. We'll make it 0 here, but I will raise it a little bit up. Let's have a look. It's going very fast. So I will take it by middle click and dragging. I think here, because the previous one was 9 degrees, here it's 0, so I just make it 4 degrees. Let's look again. Okay. I want to go to the last frame and raise it up. We want it to go down some, so it needs to sync again at frame, say 170, 200. 200 should be pointing down. It should be fixed. Okay. So here, this is frame 200, frame 180. Should be like this, and up. Maybe we need to take it a little bit to the back. Let's watch here. Okay. Here. Let's go up and sink a little bit down, then sink a little bit up and move it slightly up. Here we move it up. like that. We can modify it later on. Here, make it a little bit closer. Still make it high. Anyway, let's test this one out. Go up, we go here, and use deforming object. Use deforming object. I want it to the correct. Not here. Sorry. You should go up. Submarine. Out follow. So here. Out follow. This is the VDB collision. We will use the volume sample, and we will add the VDB. Let's have a look now. Okay. Let's see when it start to go up. I will increase the sample and make a flip book, but before that, the volume collision I'll make it 3 just to see the interaction. Okay, so this is the quick animation. I increase the resolution, but I need to fix the movement of the submarine, and I make it bigger and extend it from the back, and fix the narrow band also. See, it's jittering a little bit. Okay, so later on the next video I'll make it longer, fix the animation of the submarine, and have a look from behind how it's reacting, how it's moving. See, so when it's bigger we'll have more interaction. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next step.